Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano ADA is in the midst of a price slump, but things are starting to look up for the altcoin. According to wallet investors' price predictions, ADA is a strong bet. A bullish wallet investor sees the ADA coin rocketing from its current value to $4.52 by October of 2022. With some positive speculation surrounding this crypto coin from big names in the community like Bitboy and Coin Bureau. And if this happens to Cardano ADA, we will all be millionaires. Today we're going to be talking about how a potential price explosion by ADA could make its investors millionaires. Stick around until the end of the video, as we're going to cover all the aspects of the coin in detail and tell you why some investors still remain bullish about ADA. Before we start, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can never miss out on any new updates in the world of investing. The coin market as a whole has been going down. ADA is currently on a downward trend, and it's looking at hovering around the $1 mark. That's placed the coin as the 7th largest in terms of market capitalization at the time of recording this video. Various partnerships and initiatives focused on increasing usability on the network have been announced. This move seems to have paid off, as Cardano saw a record number of total circulating supply hit an all-time high of 73.15% recently. That's an impressive number compared to the number of coins that are staked on its direct competitors. At this point, the network had a total of 23.9 billion ADA staked. The total circulating supply of ADA is only 33.26 billion coins, meaning that only less than 10 billion are not staked. This represents the growing confidence in the future of the project. An interesting fact behind Cardano's staking network is that the coins are not locked in place. A large proportion of its community, however, has still chosen to stake, speaking volumes to the faith of its holders in the project. The future certainly seems to be looking bright for ADA. The team of ADA Swap, which is an ecosystem for decentralized finance protocols on Cardano, have started to explore the possibilities of DJED, a Cardano-based algorithmic stablecoin on the COTI network, and that could lead to a price explosion for ADA. If this does happen, we're all going to be millionaires. The team of ADA Swap put out a press release stating, "We're happy to announce that COTI is partnering with ADA Swap, an ecosystem that will establish the first decentralized exchange on the Cardano network to explore ways in which it can be integrated with the ADA Swap DEX. That integration will significantly upgrade the trading experience of ADA Swap's users and make their investing strategies more flexible and balanced." Lennon Qualman, CEO of ADA Swap, further added that this collaboration is a crucial milestone for the COTI network and the entire ecosystem of Cardano-based protocols. As a Cardano believer, I love seeing COTI's strong involvement in the Cardano space. It shows the potential being created for the Cardano ecosystem by innovative participation. COTI operates DJED through its novel AI-powered smart contracts-based mechanism called Trust Chain. As the next step in this collaboration, after the integration of DJED, an incentivized program will be launched by ADA Swap. All ADA Swap clients will be eligible for reward distribution for providing liquidity across all of DJED's pairs. COTI is developing a new tool to help bridge the gap between fiat and digital currencies. Clients are going to be able to open a new account and order a Visa debit card through it. They can then use that to purchase products and services. Imagine if you went to a grocery store anywhere in the world and you wanted to purchase some food with a card that looks just like your regular credit card, but it actually uses crypto instead. That's what it's trying to achieve. Users can easily convert their crypto coin to any country's established currency and then use it to pay for their goods. This could lead to a possible price explosion for ADA. But first, today's video is sponsored by YouHolder. Are you tired of receiving nearly zero interest rates at regular banks? Then welcome to YouHolder, a platform where you can earn up to 12% annual yield on your crypto with compound interests and weekly payouts. Link in the description. The growth perspective of Cardano is immense, with native assets on top of the chain, stablecoins, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. The Cardano blockchain also introduces on-chain native assets, which means that tokens issued on ADA have the same level of security and stability as ADA. Cardano is serious about adoption, building projects with governments around the world, cities, charities, tech giants, universities, and many more. COTI, with its robust blockchain finance infrastructure, fits into this vision by a tight collaboration with these potential partners, notably by helping Cardano solve payments in its ecosystem. COTI's technology is what can be defined as a CCCI, Cardano Commercially Critical Infrastructure, technologies that Cardano will use to achieve mass adoption. There are endless possibilities for COTI and Cardano to partner on a large scale. ADA Pay is the go-to solution for merchants wishing to accept ADA. There's a growing global demand for merchants wishing to use ADA Pay, including hotels, software companies, fashion, restaurants, and even construction companies. This trend could continue to grow with more potential partnerships built around NFT payments. Unique NFTs could be issued as a coupon or voucher as part of a marketing campaign. ADA Pay by COTI could easily be used as a payment gateway. There's also a huge demand for using ADA Pay to perform donation payments originating from ADA's large stake pools. Specifically, there are $500 million worth of ADA in staking pools. The donation payments are made to organizations like the African Water Project and Save the Children. There are governments too working on national projects with Cardano, who may need a payment system that supports ADA and native assets minted on the chain. A country could issue its own digital national currency, CBDC, and COTI's technology may be implemented in their designated payment gateway. That could lead to a price explosion. As Cardano's ecosystem grows, more and more projects are going to migrate to it. Some of these projects are going to need a payment gateway to allow a utility for their token. ADA Pay stands out as the exclusive solution over the Cardano system, which is pushing a lot of new opportunities towards COTI. The number of addresses on the Cardano network staking ADA has grown to surpass 1 million in terms of numbers, even amid a cryptocurrency market downturn that saw the space lose over $400 billion in market cap. Websites like Coin Price Forecast see things ramping up significantly before the year is through. The outlet expects ADA's price to close out 2021 with a price of $3.12. The economy forecast agency is a short-term bear, expecting ADA to drop to $1.83 by December. But by October of the next year, the site sees the coin rising to $3.47. Gov Capital's price target for October of next year is calling for a $3.20 value. Cardano's recent partnerships are focused on increasing financial accessibility in developing countries. The network's partnership with Oasis Pro supports governments in pooling inward remittances to fund large infrastructure projects. Cardano's partnership is likely to boost the utility of ADA tokens and increase the real-world uses of the altcoin. The blockchain platform Nervos Network also announced that it is going to bridge connecting assets on its blockchain to Ethereum, Cardano, and other networks, and it's now live. The Force Bridge supports the interchangeability of assets on Nervos across different blockchains, increasing accessibility. To add to the positive momentum surrounding ADA currently, founder Charles Hoskinson has revealed in a blog post that he believes that projects like the blockchain he works on will be as ubiquitous as the internet and used by millionaires. In the future, that type of adoption, he wrote, is going to take decades to be seen, all while the project developers slowly move forward in pushing out new upgrades instead of chasing hype and the latest cycle. Cardano's approach has seemingly been paying off, COTI being in the right place at the right time, and having the right technology, which makes it a promising investment for Cardano. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked our latest video. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.